Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the 7-zip extractor on your Windows, which is a great extractor and also a free file or a free application. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and open any of the browser that you have. So let's open the Microsoft Edge browser, click on it under the best match, maximize it. In the search bar, simply type 7-zip download, hit enter. And here you'll find the first option from www.7zip.org. Click on that. Then you'll find this page. So you have your download 7-zip and then there are different links that corresponds for the architecture of your Windows. So if you are in a 64-bit Windows or architecture, then you can go click on this download link. If you are in a 32-bit, 64-bit ARM64, you also have here for the MSI or .exe. Now we are going to download the .exe file, which is in a 64-bit. So simply click on this. And you also have here the description. This is for the 7-zip installer for Windows. So this is what we need to download. Click on the download button. And wait in a while. Now the setup file will be downloaded. So let's just wait in a while. Now once done, click on Open File and close the Edge browser. And here you can simply choose the destination folder in this list, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now click on Install, click on Close, and now the 7-zip has been installed into our Windows. Now let me open the File Explorer. I have here downloads and I have this zip file, this one. Now if you want to use the 7-zip, make a right click, then you have to select show more options, and here you'll find 7-zip. Now you can simply choose on 7-zip extract files, and this will appear. So you can also type password in here. You also have the show password, the destination path or the path mode, and you can click on OK. And you can click on yes all. And now if we open it, that's now extracted. So as you can see, and you can also open 7-zip. Now type 7-zip. Click on it. And here you'll find this window. View, favorites, tools, help. You can also open File Explorer again. And then make a right click. Then you will find show more options. Click on 7-zip, 7-zip, open archive. And this will also appear from here. You have here the size, the packed size, and also the modified as to when you have modified it. So that's it. As easy as that, you have just downloaded and installed the 7-zip extractor on your Windows, wherein you can use this to extract any of your zip files. You just need to make a right click and then you have to select show more options, and here you'll find 7-zip, and from here you can simply choose a lot of options to open archive, extract files, and then to compress. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.